In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a custom font in Squarespace. Now first, you want to go inside your editor on your page. For example, I'm here inside this home page I have, and then you can go to the top right and click on Site Styles. And from here, you want to go to where you can see fonts and click on this arrow button to the right. Now when you do this here, you're going to see headings and stuff like that. You have headings, paragraphs, etc. You can select whichever font you want to change. So for example, let's say I want headings to be in a custom font I can upload myself. So I'm going to click on headings over here, but of course you could also do the same thing for paragraphs, etc. Okay, so I'm going to go headings again, as I said, there we go. And then font by default over here, it's Oswald. I can just click on that, and from here I can either search for fonts, or to add a custom font, click on this button over here, which will allow me to upload a font. Now here you can see you can drag and drop your fonts. Now there's a bunch of different formats that are supported, so we have OTF, TTF, etc. Now usually it's going to come either OTF or TTF, but those are also supported if you use them. Now I actually have one font over here. I'm just going to drag and drop it. Of course, you must have your font to be able to do this, and it's going to basically start kind of loading in, and make sure you actually have the permission to use those. And as you can see here, I have added this font over here, which is called Super Shiny. So I'm just going to go back over here, and as you can see, uploaded, it says Super Shiny. If I type in Super, there we go, it's going to pop up. I can click on it, and my font has now changed to the custom font which I uploaded inside Squarespace. So that's how to add custom fonts. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.